Welcome back to the show. You're watching the Empathy is Money show. I'm your favorite host, Nandi. And as always, I'm going to start you off with a few words on empathy. First, I'd like to help you guys understand the meaning of empathy and what a genuine act of empathy looks like. I want you to remember that empathy is the ability to emotionally understand what other people feel, see things from their point of view, and imagine yourself in their place. Empathy is not easy. People will normally confuse empathy for sympathy, but I want you to understand that when you are showing empathy, it requires you to place yourself in that person's or see the situation from somebody else's point of view. It doesn't require you to feel sorry for that person. Take for instance, you have a coworker who has a mountain of work to do and will need to come in over the weekend to finish it. You don't do that same type of work, and there's no way for you to offer practical help in that situation. But what you do in this situation is you can go into your coworker's office or stop by with some coffee and donuts along with a few encouraging words. So go out there and be impact. Let's dive right into the show. In today's show, we're going to be, as always, I bring you use cases for NFTs, and I did some research and scoured the internet today, and I found what I consider a significant use case for non-fungible tokens. Remember that not NFTs or non-fungible tokens represent a unique asset. It could either be digital or physical. Non-fungible tokens provide or gives the internet property rights, which is something that has not existed up until recently. It used to be that you would post pictures on the internet or post pictures on Instagram. But what you don't know in the terms of service is that whenever you post a picture or an image on Instagram, you automatically give property rights to Facebook to do what they wish with that image. And but now with NFTs, if you tokenize that image, every time Facebook uses it, they gotta pay you royalty. So NFT is changing the game. If I want you to expect to see different platforms that are gonna pretty much depend Facebook's business model. When you have a platform, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever or any one of these gateways or platforms that flourished in Web 2.0, whenever the newer platforms in Web 3.0, social media platforms, are going to be paying you royalty every time they use your digital content. So that's a significant, a revolutionizing use case when it comes to NFTs. Remember, an NFT cannot be replaced by any other token since no other token, even that the ones that are adhering to the same token standard, which is ERC 721, cannot substitute its metadata or its the property details, because when you tokenize it, it not only stores that token, it stores every history, like the entire history of that battle, who created it, who has traded it, where it is, what date and time, all that stuff, IP address, all that. It stores it in on the blockchain, which is an open ledger, and it's available for anyone to see. um, so besides the gaming industry, the art industry, ticketing, supply chain, credentialing, the I mean the opportunities are infinite. I'm imagining all the pre-existing companies that have any need for credentialing. They're going to be creating platforms in the future that will benefit and use NFTs. So I implore you all to pay close attention to this industry, to this space. It's burgeoning. It's very nascent. People are still speculating with it because that's what we do in a new space. Anything that comes, like even when Bitcoin came out, newly, it became a speculative asset. People are just trying to make a quick buck with it. But over time, they start paying attention to the underlying asset. In the case of Bitcoin, it's a store of value. It doesn't matter that math that yields Bitcoin. That's the blockchain behind or the cryptography of Bitcoin is indestructible uh, today. And when you put a sign of value to it, it holds its value. There's over $1 trillion worth of value on Bitcoin currently, and nothing has happened to it. It has not been stolen, has not been destroyed. So the same goes with NFTs. When you place a digital content or digital asset on the Ethereum blockchain as an NFT, it's permanent. It's indestructible. It can be copied. It can be altered in any form or shape. It's an interesting world. Join me. Let's learn more about it. Until next time, I'll see you. Uh, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share the video. And I'll see you next time.